What I wish I knew about weight loss before I tried the smoothie diet? Are you tired of complicated diets that just don't work? Say hello to the Smoothie Diet. This 21-day program is designed to help you shed pounds and boost your health with delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies. Replace certain meals with our customized recipes and watch the magic happen. But don't just take our word for it. Danielle lost 15 pounds in just 3 weeks. Sarah says she feels more energetic and vibrant than ever before. And Jade? She's never been happier with her weight and well-being. With the Smoothie Diet, you get a 3-day smoothie detox bonus, a quick start guide, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Worried about time or expensive equipment? No problem! Our program is designed to fit into your busy life and you don't need anything fancy to get started. Ready to transform your life? Click the link to get immediate access and start your journey today. Feel great, look amazing, and live healthier with the Smoothie Diet. You've got this!